Hello fellas, Bisayang Alindahaw here and welcome to my channel. So for today's video po is ituturo ko po sa inyo kung paano po mag-track ng PhilID delivery. Yan. Ayan po. And then dito po is i-enter nyo yung 29-digit transaction number na ibinigay sa inyo during nung nagpa-PhilSys ID po kayo. Kapag po not found po ang lumabas during sa pag-track nyo sa 29-digit transaction number nyo, possible po na nasa central office pa po nila yung PhilID nyo. Please, fellas, do not laminate your PhilID, the polymer one. Okay lang kapag yung e-PhilID kasi ano pa po yun, papel. Pero kung naka-plastic na po yun, yung polymer na po, yung PVC, do not laminate it nor tamper it with one by one picture dahil lang hindi maganda yung pagmumukha natin doon, diba? It is prohibited. Okay? May mga instances po na yung mga naka-plastic na po or naka-polymer na po na PhilID is natukla po yung mga faces nila. So, what you need to do is go to your nearest PSA center para po mapalitan po yan nila, and take note that is libre lang po. Yun nga lang, baka po e-PhilID muna yung ibibigay nila sa inyo, pero libre po yan. Yung e-PhilID is good as the polymer ID na po yan. The e-PhilID shall be honored and accepted as the official government-issued identification document of a person for his or her transactions in all national government agencies, local government units, government-owned and controlled corporations, government financial institutions, and private sector. For more information, kindly visit your PSA center near to you.